What if your phone didn't just last all day, but all weekend? OnePlus just dropped the Turbo 6X and 6X Pro in China, and they are completely rewriting the rules on budget phone battery life. We are talking about massive 7,000 and 8,000 milliamp hour cells squeezed into chassis that cost under 1,500 yuan. That is roughly $200. But a giant battery usually means massive compromises elsewhere. While they are exclusive to China for the moment, it is highly likely we'll see them launch globally under the OnePlus Nord lineup. Did OnePlus build a true value champion or just a heavy brick? Let's dive deep. Let's start with the standard Turbo 6X. This is a very targeted device. Instead of an expensive AMOLED, it uses a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus LCD display. Now wait, before you close the video, hear me out. A ton of mobile purists actually prefer LCD because it uses full DC dimming, meaning zero eye-straining PWM screen flicker. Plus, it still hits a butter-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits peak brightness. Under the hood, it runs the MediaTek Dimensity 7360 Super chipset. Built on TSMC's efficient 4nm process, it's not meant for world record benchmarks, but it sips power. Combine that with a 7,000 mAh battery and 45-watt charging, and this thing easily clears 2 full days of heavy use. But if you want the absolute limits of budget tech, you step up to the Turbo 6X Pro. For only about 100 yuan more, the upgrades are honestly ridiculous. First, you get a larger 6.78-inch, 1.5K Samsung AMOLED display using their top-tier M14 material. It shoots up to a mind-boggling 6,500 nits peak brightness, making outdoor legibility an absolute breeze. Next is the performance. It steps up to the Dimensity 7400 Super chip, providing a massive boost in network stability thanks to a 360-degree surround antenna array. But the real showstopper is the battery, an 8,000 mAh powerhouse. OnePlus claims this gets you 29 hours of continuous short video playback, or 8 hours of uninterrupted gaming. When it does run dry, the 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging handles the reload, topping that massive tank to full in under 70 minutes. On the camera front, the base model keeps it simple with a 50-megapixel main sensor. The Pro model elevates it by adding optical image stabilization, or OIS, to that 50-megapixel shooter, alongside an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. It's perfect for casual social media shooters and features nice touches like live photo support and vintage film filters. Software-wise, both run ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. OnePlus is boldly promising 6 years of smooth software performance here. And check this out, at a sub-$200 price point, they kept the things everyone else cuts. You get a multifunctional NFC, an infrared remote control blaster, stereo dual speakers, and yes, a dedicated 3.5mm headphone jack. So, what's the verdict? The Turbo 6X series represents incredibly smart product packaging. OnePlus stopped chasing unnecessary flagship chip costs and funneled every dollar into what everyday users actually want: supreme durability, a smooth display, and unmatched battery life. While they are currently exclusive to China, they set a phenomenal benchmark for what budget phones should look like. Which one would you pick? The LCD battery purist 6X or the 8,000 mAh Pro Beast? Let me know down in the comments. Drop a like if this deep dive helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.